The error code E8 on a Hoover washing machine indicates a problem with the motor or its parts, which can affect the spinning cycle and result in wet clothes. To fix the issue, it's essential to identify the cause. Common causes of the E8 error code include overloading the drum, as exceeding the machine's capacity can put too much strain on the motor. Worn-down carbon bushes can also be a culprit, as they conduct electricity from the fixed sections of the motor to the moving parts. And if they're worn down, the motor won't receive power. A faulty motor or motor speed sensor can also trigger the error code, particularly if the speed sensor fails to indicate the motor is turning or doesn't sense the motor's rotation. To resolve the issue, start by checking the drum's load size and removing some clothes if it's overloaded. Inspect the carbon brushes and replace them if necessary. This involves disconnecting the washing machine and drain hose, accessing the motor from the back, and unscrewing the carbon brushes on both sides. If the motor is faulty, as indicated by strange noises or sparking, it may need to be replaced. This can be done by purchasing a new motor or opting for a second-hand one to save on costs. By addressing the underlying cause, the error code E8 can be resolved, and the washing machine can function properly once again.